guys, and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we are going to be looking at the kitties. We were giving them
a bath.
We tried to give them a bath. Only on Bagheera's turn.
On a cat Bagheera's turn.
Shut up.
She
We were trying to get her to be relaxed and stuff in the water, but she just went and then just
climbed up the curtain.
Climbed up. She did not want that bath.
She hated it.
Yeah. But we gotta relax now. Instead of using just a normal brush, we're using a toothbrush that hasn't been used. So, call me weird. I don't care. Put it in the comments. I really don't give a fudge. But, yeah. But S'mores was so nice. She just let us do what we wanted to do with her. Now she's just drying herself off. I hope they forgive me. I don't think they ever will.
I heard that. I think they never will.
And our special person today is Mariah.
Say hi, Mariah.
Yeah. So we're also joined by Alana. Pants are kind of loose, but you know. S'mores and Bagheera, of course. We were giving them a spa thing. So we're just grooming them pretty much. Oh gosh, there's a lot of hair in here. Let's see here, focus. Yeah, that's disgusting.
And S'mores cleaning herself and about to fall off my lap. Come here, girl. Oh, there you go.
Play.
And we're going to trim their fur and cut their nails.
With a nail trimmer.
That Ariana is playing with.
Yeah.
We have two pairs of scissors, a purple one and this red one, which we're using the red one.
Well, actually, no, we're using the purple one.
No,
Well-
for the Bagheera, we're using the purple one for S'mores.
No.
The red one.
Focus.
I like S'mores.
And Grace got cut on the neck by Bagheera.
I got one right around this area, and I also got one like right here. It really hurts. But I'm not. Wait, is there anything?
Yeah, that's what I was telling
Wait.
you.
Oh,
What?
that's big.
I can't see anything.
Can I see?
Here, let me.
I can't see anything. So tell me if it's bad in the comments. So it's either thumbs up, it's absolutely fine, middle, or oh, it's a horrible. Don't. You need to go to the hospital. Which that's probably not it. So rate it 1 to 10. Okay. Haven't seen it. Ew. But we'll see you guys later. I wanted to tell you the story. But I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Can we see the video?
No, say goodbye.
Guys.
Ew. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Say bye, S'mores.
Please.
Who cares? Say bye, Bagheera. And say bye, me.
Goodbye.
Bye.
I want to watch a video so I see my